Hello, what's up guys, this is LIBTech. So most of you are changing from this kind of hard disks to SSD cards, but most of you, we have realized that you have your data on this kind of hard disks. So for example, if you want to read data on these small hard disks, you can get a hard drive casing and then just fix it, then read the data, as simple as that. But when it comes to these large hard disks, for those who have like desktops, the story changes. When you're using these hard disks, if we are to read the details on these hard disks, there is what is called a voltage. This hard disk cannot read if it has no any external power. The reason being that this hard disk needs an extra power, it needs an extra voltage, which is 12 volts. So if you can see clearly, you can look here, as you can see the 12 volts. So once you want to read data from this hard drive, the only thing you need is this kind of an adapter. This is a SATA, but with an extension of another power. So here, this is how it looks like. There is a hole here inside where to put the power. So this is an adapter. This is a 12 volt adapter. Once you're buying in electronic shop, you go and specify that I need a 12 voltage power adapter. When you're reading, you can clearly see it clearly. There is that 12 volts. So after reading the 12 volts here, now you run into your house or anywhere where there is a hard disk. You get this one. Now this is a SATA cable. It's actually cheap in any electronic shop. In case you also need, you can also reach us out at LIBTech and we get you one at a smaller price, at a smaller money. So you get this one, this pin, you put it here inside like this. After putting it inside here, you get your large hard disk. Then you just check here, you get this is the SATA cable. You fix it inside here. So after fixing it inside here, you're going to put this one into a power source. Let me see where I have the power source. Anyway, actually, let me put it here into a power source. So after putting into a power source, then you'll get this USB. This USB ending. You just enter it into the computer. After entering into your computer, the hard disk will read, and then you get your data, and then you will enjoy life. So this is LIBTech. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on our TikTok account, where we give free advice with tech, that is computer tech, any device, any issues with the technology. We work on that. Thank you for watching. This is LIBTech. Peace.